Okay, now we're going to start talking about the properties of logarithms. Properties of logarithms, we're going to go over the product rule, quotient rule, power rule, special basis, and then remember all of these things apply only if the bases are the same. So if you have log base 10 of x, whoops, I'm going to put a y there, times log base 7 of y, you cannot use any of these properties, the product rule specifically, since this is multiplication, to do anything with this. So properties of logarithms apply only when the bases are the same. Okay, the product rule. When multiplying logs of same base, expand the expression to addition. This is what that means. If you have log with the base 7 and inside the parentheses you have two things being multiplied, you can expand to rewrite it as log base 7 of x plus log base 7 of y. And this comes in very handy later on when you're trying to solve equations. So let's do an example, a numerical example, even though that's silly, 2 times 3 is 6. But a numerical example would be log base 6 of 2 plus log base 6 of 3. And that's all you'd have to write. If it doesn't say an equal sign, you're not trying to solve anything. All you would be asked to do is to expand. So let's do this with a variable. It's the same thing. Log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of y plus log base 3 of z. Another way you could write that, nope, I'm going to leave it just like this. All right, that's it for the product rule. Now, it gets messier later when you have a lot of things going on, but the basic product rule is this. And so if you can kind of get this down solidly, it will help you even as they become more difficult.